directors, have landed properties within the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Then his passport, international passport, travel document was seized and was with the commission. Anytime he had reason to travel, he will apply and it will be given to him. So the court essentially adopted the administrative bail conditions that the defendant enjoyed while on administrative bail. Then additionally, since the court wasn't part of the previous bail conditions, we applied that the verification be done on the residential and business addresses of sureties. And like you know, bail is always a discretion of the court. While he was with us, to the best of my knowledge, he didn't flout any of those bail conditions. The important thing is that he should appear before the court for his trial, which is what the court emphasized.
Thank you very much.
We have not less than 15 witnesses on the list of witnesses. My name is Silvanus Tahir, with my colleague Silvanus Tahir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.